What is a linked list?
A linked list is a fundamental data structure used to store sequences of data. Unlike arrays, linked lists organize data in nodes, where each node points to the next. This allows for flexible sizing and efficient insertions or deletions, especially when managing large or unpredictable data collections. Understanding linked lists forms the backbone for mastering more complex data structures in computer science.
Types of linked lists.
There are three main types of linked lists: singly linked lists, doubly linked lists, and circular linked lists. Singly linked lists allow navigation in one direction. Doubly linked lists let you move both forward and backward, while circular linked lists connect the last node back to the first. The choice depends on your requirements for efficiency and direction of data traversal.
Strengths of linked lists.
Linked lists shine when it comes to dynamic data management. They offer fast and easy insertions and deletions since you only need to update links between a few nodes. They also use memory efficiently for unpredictable data sizes because they don't require pre-allocated space like arrays. This flexibility makes linked lists powerful for many applications.
When to use linked lists.
Linked lists are best used when your application needs frequent adding or removing of elements, especially from the middle of a sequence. Examples include managing undo operations, memory management, or implementing queues and stacks. However, for fast random access, arrays may be a better choice. Always match the data structure to your specific performance needs.
Linked list limitations.
Despite their strengths, linked lists have some trade-offs. Accessing elements by index is slower, requiring traversal from the beginning each time. They also involve extra memory for storing links. For tasks needing rapid lookups or heavy indexing, other structures like arrays or hash tables are more efficient. Weigh these factors carefully when choosing your data structure.